All right, let's do the partial fractions first. And, certainly I got to write things down. And as I keep saying over and over again, a lot of internet videos I watch, they don't write this down. And again, if you don't think you need to write it down, I don't know, depending on your teachers, I don't think it's a big deal. But I need to write it down. I need to see what I'm doing. I'm going to say a over x minus 1. You know what? I don't need parentheses on that. If you want to put mine, you can. And then I'm going to say b over x plus 1. And then I'm going to say c over x plus 1 squared. Yes, I need parentheses on that. So I'm going to say 13x squared plus 17x plus 2 equals a times x plus 1 squared plus b times x minus 1, x plus 1, I'm multiplying both sides by the LCD, plus c times x minus 1. So for me, the easiest number I could possibly choose, and that's open to debate, by the way, but I think a lot of people try to say, oh, I think x equals 1 is easy to deal with. And the main reason for that, on the right side, 2 of the terms disappear. And what would you get on the left side? 13 plus 17 plus 2. And then what do you get here? You're going to get, let's see, 1 plus 1, that's 2, 4a. Let's keep moving forward. Let's see, that's going to be 20, 32 equals 4a. So a equals 8. All right? So that's not so bad. Let's try another easy number. X equals, I'm going to say minus 1. And what do you get? 13 minus 17 plus 2. And again, I chose minus 1. So the first term and the second term on the right-hand side disappear. And what are you going to get? Minus 2c. Let's see. 13 minus 17 is minus 4. And minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. So minus 2c is equal to minus 2, which means c is equal to 1. Now I'm going to start to erase things. I know a is 8. And I know c is 1. I don't know b yet, though. So I'm going to say x equals 0. Well, on the left side, that's 2. On the right side, though, a little more complicated. Like a is 8. And if I chose 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, and 1 squared is 1. B, I don't know what b is, but I get minus 1 times 1, which is minus 1. Plus, what's c? C is 1. And if I plug in 0, I get minus 1. Let's keep going. You get 2 equals 8. Minus 1 is 7. And this is going to be minus b. So b would have to be, let me see if I did that right. 2, 8 minus 1 is 7. So b would have to be 5. Now, I'm not going to rewrite the integration then. I'm just going to do it. Except for the last one. Last one looks tough. Let's put this down. So it's going to be 8 natural log absolute value x minus 1. I just did that by integration. Let's do this one. Plus 5 ln absolute value x plus 1. But I said that last one might be deceptive. It's not difficult. I'm saying you might put the wrong thing down. I'm just going to put this over here. And I just want to go through it with you. So I'd probably say, if I didn't know, if I was really tired, say, I don't want to guess at that. I put this over here, du is equal to dx. So this is going to be 1 over x plus 1 squared dx. That's going to be 1 over u squared. And dx is du. And that's going to be u to the minus 2 du. So it's going to be u to the minus 1 over minus 1. So it's really going to be plus c, by the way, so minus 1 over u. So I think I can do that. So let's write that down. I'll write the answer down now. It's going to be 8 ln x minus 1, the absolute value of it, plus 5. You know, let me get, the eraser doesn't look right. So let me get the smaller eraser. And let's write down, a little bit neater maybe. That's the whole point of typing things up, by the way, to make it look more uniform. Well, you know, we just did this last guy was going to be minus 1 over x plus 1 plus c. I'll put a little box in this, indicating I'm committing to that answer. And now let's look at the k. And again, the hope is you're going to see that in the k. I mean, it might be a lot of work over there, but hopefully you're seeing, you know, 8 ln x minus 1. I do see that, the absolute value of it. Hope I'm seeing this over here. Yep. I hope I see this over here. Yep. And plus c. We're done. Good. Next question. Thank you.